In last lecture, in this chapter, fibers to fabric, we have learned about the cotton fibers and jute fibers, that how we get cotton fibers and how we get jute fibers. Okay, so we all know that cotton fibers is obtained from its fruit, which is called cotton bolls. Okay, and it is grown in field having black soil and warm climate. In India, there are the states which grow the cotton crops. They are which are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, etc. Okay. So then we have learned the ginning. So what is ginning? The separating fibers from the seeds is called ginning. Okay. Then in jute, jute is obtained from its stems. Okay, stems of the plant, and it is cultivated during rainy season. Okay, then it is immersed in the stem. When the stem is cut, then it is immersed into water. Then after few days, the stem get rot, and then after drying, we separate that fibers from that stem. So that how that we separate fibers of cotton and jute from their plant. Okay, so now in today's lecture we will learn that how the yarn is made. Okay, how the yarn is made. So our topic is spinning of cotton yarn. Okay, so in this topic the activity is given in your book. Okay, so what we have to do, that hold some cotton wool like this in one hand, then pull out the fibers from that cotton wool like this, and then you have to twist it. Okay, twist it continuously, twist it like this. Okay, so this way you can make the yarn from the cotton wool. But this process of making yarn from fiber is known as spinning. If you are asked what is spinning, the process of making yarn from fibers is spinning. So making of yarn from fibers is the first step to making of fabric. Okay, making of yarn from fiber is the first step to making of fabric. Okay. In this process, what we have to do, that what we have done in this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out. Drawn out means આપણે ખેંચીએ છીએ, બરાબર? Drawn out and twisted, continuously twisted. Okay. The simple device, if the way we have made this yarn is a normal thing. Okay, but we cannot make this yarn perfectly. If we want to make a perfect yarn that we use in our clothes, yarn means that reel, દોરાનું reel જે આપણે આવે, બરાબર? That yarn, if we want to make that perfectly, what we have to use? Okay, so the simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle. Hand spindle. Okay, hath dhari. So hand spindle, which is also known as takli. Okay, then another hand operated device used is charkha. We all know about charkha. Okay, who used this charkha very much? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so charkha, which was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi during independence movement. Why? Because that time the Britishers were living in India. If we want to, so they import the cloth from the Britain. Import means ત્યાંથી મંગાવતા, આયાત કરતા, import. So they imported cloth from the Britain to India. So what the problem is that our cash or our money was spent there. in their country, which is so our economy became down, so we cannot fight against them. Okay, so if we want to fight against Britisher, we have to save our money in our country. So Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people of India that wear the cloth made of homespun. Homespun yarn means સ્વદેશી. ઓકે, જે પોતાની કન્ટ્રીમાં જ બનાવેલું હોય, સ્વદેશી, બરાબર. That homespun yarn and shun imported cloth. Shun imported cloth means કે જે બ્રિટનની મિલોમાં જે ક્લોથ તૈયાર થતા, બરાબર, એને યુઝ નહીં કરવાના, એને બંધ કરવાના. શન ઇમ્પોર્ટેડ ક્લોથ made in mills of Britain. So that way we can save our money also, and we can fight against Britishers to leave our country. Okay. That large scale spinning is done with the help of machine. Okay. First, if you are asked that what are the device which is used for the spinning, so you have to write the answer that takli and charkha, these are both hand device. But if we want to do spinning on a large scale, because we all know that there is so much population in our country, in everywhere. Okay, so we have to produce more clothes every day. Okay, so we have to done spinning on large scale. So large scale when spinning is done, it is done with the help of machines. Okay, so this is the first step of making fabric, which is making a yarn from the fibers. Okay, after yarn is made, it is converted into fabric. This is second step. Okay, so yarn to fabric is the topic. This is the second step of making fabric. So there are main two methods used for making fabrics, which are weaving and knitting. Okay, if you are asked that what are the methods for making fabrics from yarn, then you have to write the answer that weaving and knitting. So now what is weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Okay, the process of arranging two sets of yarn means in this process there are two sets of yarn is used, means two yarn is used, two different yarn is used, at least minimum two yarn. We can use more yarn also, but at least minimum two sets of yarn is to be used. Okay, so process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. If you see our clothes, okay, if we see our clothes, we can notice that some little holes in our clothes. Why? Because this is all because of this weaving process. Okay, some like square holes we can see in our clothes, that is because of weaving. Okay, why? Because we have seen that chatai. Okay, in chatai we have seen that one part of that strip is upside and one part of strip is downside the other strip. Okay, so that way this weaving process is done. Here one activity is given in which what we have to do, that you have to take two different page, then cut that page like in strip. First in one page you have to cut just little bit, and in other page you have to cut full strips. Then arrange it both pages like in this way, that one strip is upside the other strip, means एक स्ट्रीपनी अंदर आ बीजी स्ट्रीप ए रीते मूकवानी के एनो एक भाग ऊपर रहे અને બીજો ભાગ એની પાછળ રહે. અત્યારે અહીંયા જે ખાલી ભાગ દેખાય છે એકચ્યુઅલીમાં અહીંયા પણ સ્ટ્રીપ્સ તો છે પણ કેવું છે પાછળથી ગયેલી છે એટલે આપણને ખબર પડે નહીં. That is also you have done in your craft work also. Okay, so this way we can do weaving of yarn same way. Okay, this weaving can be done on looms. Okay, so if you are asked that which machine is used for weaving, so you have to write that looms are used for the weaving. These looms are maybe hand operated or maybe working on power, means hand operated or power operated. So this all about our weaving. Okay, so first one was the weaving, then second process to make a fabric from yarn is knitting. Okay, so in this process only one single yarn is used. If you notice that in weaving there are two sets of yarn were used, but in knitting there is only one single yarn is used. If you have noticed sometime that if our socks or sweater is like if we pull out one yarn or thread from the socks or sweater, it will become open, fully open. Why? Because the sweater or socks is just made out of only single one yarn. Okay, so socks, sweaters or every woolen clothes we wear in winter, that is mostly made by this knitting process. And you have seen in many pictures or serials or in your home also that how knitting can be done. So that one big needle is used for the knitting, in which that one woolen yarn ball is used, and one yarn is from that ball is used to make a sweater or socks. Okay, but this knitting is also done by the machines. Okay, so there are two processes to make a fabric from yarn, which are weaving and knitting. In weaving there are two sets of yarn used. In knitting only one single yarn is used. Now we are on our last topic of the chapter, which is history of clothing materials. Okay, so from ancient time to recent time, what are the varieties of clothing? Okay, what people used to wear in ancient time. Okay, so we all know that in ancient time they used the bark. Bark means the જે પેલું આપણે ટ્રીનું થડ જે પાર્ટ હોય એનો જે છાલ જે હોય બરાબર, તો છાલ, that bark, then big leaves like banana leaves, okay, banana plant leaves, then animal skin or furs to cover the body. As we all know that we already use that animal skin or furs in recent time also, that animal skin like ચામડાની ચપ્પલ છે, पर्स છે, બધું શું છે, એનિમલ સ્કિન જ છે. ફર્સ, that the wool which we get from the sheep. Okay, so that is also used in recent time. Okay, after developing agricultural communities, agriculture ખેતીનો જ્યારે ડેવલપ થયો, તો that time the people learn to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Twigs means જે નાની કૂપણું હોય બરાબર, and grass, તો એમાંથી લોકો mats and basket ચટાઈને એવું બનાવતા શીખ્યા. Vines, animal fleece or hair were twisted into long strand. Vines, વેલ આવે બરાબર, વેલ, લાંબી વેલ, તો એ વાઇન્સ જે છે, પછી એનિમલ ફ્લીસ એટલે હેર, ઓકે, ફર, that is also used to twisted into long strands. એમાંથી યાર્ન બનાવે અને એમાંથી પછી કાપડ બનાવે. Early Indians wore fabric made out of કોટન પહેલા જે એન્શિયન્ટ ટાઈમમાં કોટન જે છે ત્યાં એનું ગ્રુ થતું રિવર ગંગા. ઓકે, નિયર રિવર ગંગા નદીના કિનારે. Okay, so early Indians saw fabric made out of cotton which grew near the river Ganga. This can be asked in your MCQ or blanks. Then in ancient Egypt is famous for pyramid, we all know. Okay, so in ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax means the flaxseed આવે બરાબર, એમાંથી પણ ફાઈબર મળે બરાબર. તો that were cultivated near Nile river, longest river of the world. Okay, so Nile river. In ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near Nile river. When stitching was not known, okay, when there was no any technology to stitch or any technology, that time what people do to cover their body, so the people simply drap the fabric around their whole body, like we do in recent times that we drap sari, dhoti, lungi, turban, that all are we use without stitching. Okay, same way they were used, so draping the fabric around the whole body. Okay, after the સીવવાની સોયની શોધ થયા બાદ ઓકે લોકો કપડાં સીવતા થયા બરાબર, અને ત્યાર પછી ડિઝાઇનર કપડાનું ફેશન આવી બરાબર. સો ધીસ ઓલ આર ધી હિસ્ટ્રી ઓફ ફેબ્રિક્સ. સો વી કેન સે ધેટ what are the correct series from the fiber to fabric is, first step is that we obtain fiber from different sources like plants or animals, then we convert these fibers into yarn. So this is the first step, fiber to yarn, and then we convert that yarn into fabric. Okay, so this is the correct series of the fiber to fabric. So this is our chapter in which we have learned two different plant fibers, cotton and jute, then how that fibers converted into yarn, then how the yarn is converted into fabric. Okay, and now I will send you also PDF of this chapter, like question answer and all, that you have to write in your fair book and then send it to WhatsApp group of school. Thank you.